To withdraw low-end coins in Ethereum, start by accessing the platform and scrolling down to the P2P auction section. Clicking on this will redirect you to a website where you need to create an account by providing an email address and password. Once your account is set up, return to the platform and navigate to the wallet auction section. From there, click the Send button and select the option to transfer to Ethereum V2P. You will be prompted to enter your Ethereum P2P email address, after which an OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the OTP, specify the amount you want to transfer, and your low-end coins will be transferred to the P2P platform. On the P2P platform, you can convert your low-end coins to another cryptocurrency, such as USDT, by selecting the desired trade and clicking the Sell button. Finally, you can transfer the converted currency to another wallet, completing the process.